As I stand in the heart of Monaco's bustling market, I suddenly spot a familiar figure, Kratos, the legendary warrior from God of War. His imposing presence commands attention, yet there's a certain calmness in his gaze as he looks my way. Without hesitation, I step forward and extend my hand. He grips it firmly, his strength unmistakable. "Hello, Kratos," I say, feeling the weight of the moment. "Hello, body and my soul. How are you?" he replies, his deep voice carrying both power and curiosity. "Thanks. All is well. How's your journey going?" I ask, still holding on to the surreal nature of our encounter. "Thanks, very well," he responds, nodding slightly. A brief silence lingers between us, the sounds of Monaco's lively streets filling the space. Then, an idea sparks in my mind. "How about we go grab a drink and chat about our journey?" I suggest with a grin. Kratos pauses for a moment before giving a firm nod. "Of course, no problem. Let's go." With that, we turn and step into the city, two travelers from vastly different worlds, sharing a moment neither of us had anticipated.